Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your FreeFire friends. So let's get started. First of all, tap open your FreeFire Max application and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're signed into your account, go ahead and tap on the two human icon at the top right hand corner, which will then open up the Friends tab. Your friends that you've added in the game will be displayed on the screen. Tap on the friend's profile picture and tap on the Delete Friends button on the right hand side. In the pop-up, tap on OK, and then you will be able to remove a friend from your friend list. So that is how you can unfriend someone on FreeFire Max. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.